Guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we'll be just dismantling all the stuff and putting it the right way, because I know we are making the stair climber part 1 and it was supposed to be this video was supposed to be part 2, but because our sports week is going to start in the school, so the clubs will be postponed for a while and they will be resumed in the month of April. I will keep posting shorts so you don't have to become deactive. I will post regular shorts all about Lego and all of that stuff, but today's video is about dismantling. So this is the paper, this is the kit, and this is all the stuff. The extra stuff we have to put it away, and we have all the stuff together. So let's put it into the right position. So we have completed these 2 boxes as shown in here and here. So this is all the stuff that we have, and this is all the remaining. This up till now, like these 3 sections, actually 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now I'm doing this one, so let's continue with all recollecting and putting it in the respective place. I just completed this one, this section 2, and now this is what we are left with. So guys, finally after 30 minutes, after 30 minutes of standing, I have completed the kit. Everything is perfectly fine, even in the inside side. And now the components that we are left with, these are all extra parts. Like these are all extra parts that were shuffled up while we were working in the clubs. So now they will be kept in their respective kits when they will be checked. So now we will place this cover on top of our kit, actually upside down, because we placed it the wrong way, like this. And now we are going to, or actually like this, and I accidentally placed the tray the wrong way, because it is supposed to be like this, with this on this side. And now perfect. Now we're going to place the final lid on top of the kit, and now we're done. Okay, so the kit is ready, perfectly placed, everything perfectly, and these are the extra components that we are left with. So I hope you like this video. If you do, then please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because this was very tempting and very hard for me. I'm still literally my knees are hurting right now. So I hope you enjoyed this small video. I'm going to make sure that on every Monday and every Tuesday, like at least 1 or 2, I'll post shorts so that I keep you guys entertained with my content. Hopefully in the end of March, like the last week of March, we'll again resume with all of these videos. I hope you like this. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting tech related stuff and videos. Bye guys.